They are. You get all the good ones. I get the bad ones. Yeah, isn't that a deal? That's awesome, Gerald. That's right where you were lined up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Rather than going over the top. Good. Closer there, Travis. Pretty active with those hands, huh? Yeah. Solid though, wasn't it? I mean, your motion looked great. I like the pace on that too. Yeah, just a little of impact you had it. I don't know if you were too steep. I wasn't. I just saw the ball flight there. And that one was a tad quicker. Yeah. Oh, that's okay. Just a little thing. But no, definitely it's not going over like it was. That's great. A little quick. Kind of came up and out of it. Try that's better. Yeah, keep the handle ahead. Yeah. Tell you what, your takeaway there was awesome. You were just a little active coming through.